is the 24th of October, Friday. Friday. Okay, look at the board.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Did you learn hello song? Did you learn?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, very good. Let's sing a song. Okay.
Hello, 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 how are you? I'm fine, I'm fine. I hope that you are too. Hello, 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 how are you? I'm fine, I'm fine. I hope that you are too. Hello, 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 how are you? I'm fine, I'm fine. I hope that you are too.
Okay, very good. You are the best students. Okay, look at this. This. Okay, look at the board. Okay, look at this. Do you see? Do you see?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, very good. What about is it? What about is it? In Mongolian, you can say in Mongolian. Hmm? What about is it? Okay, please stand. Okay, unit 1 today. Okay, very good. Okay, today's lesson topic is weather.
Yes.
Yes. 생활이 이렇게 많아.
Weather.
Weather. Okay, repeat after me. Weather.
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 Okay. Okay, today lesson introduce of the aim of the lesson. Aim of the lesson. Talk about weather using of the expressions and new words. Yes. Okay, very good. Okay. In order to talking about weather, step 1 listen. Listen. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Listen. Next, what is this? In Mongolian. Okay, please stand up.
Smile.
Smile. What is this? Okay. We step 2 is ask and answer question. Okay. Next step is speak to each other. Speak to each other. Okay. I use Ichno. Okay, you will say in English, speak to each other. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. We will learn new words, many words. Okay. New expressions. Okay. What is this? What is this? Okay. 나는 팀에 나 분들에게 이제 이렇게 3일. Okay, this group is first group. This group is second group. This group is third group. This group is fourth group. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, first group is repeat after me. 3일. Okay, this group 3일. good.
This is sunny.
Sunny, okay, very good.
Sunny.
Sunny, very good. Okay, now on, please stand up. Okay,
Sunny.
Sunny, very good.
Sunny.
Sunny,
This is sunny.
Sunny,
This is sunny.
Sunny,
This is sunny.
Sunny, okay, very good. Sunny, 이렇게 육수 봤노? 자, 나 텍스트 보시면 쉽다요. Okay, next word is what is this? What is this? 유한. 걸어 때리기 북대를 소리, okay? Rainy. Rainy. Okay, this group say. Rainy. Okay, rainy. Okay, who wants say? Okay, please stand up. Rainy. Rainy, okay, very good. Just please. Rainy, okay. Rainy, okay, very good. Okay, please stand up. What is this? Rainy. Rainy, can you say back now? Correct. Okay, next word. What is this? Substance. Okay, snowy. Okay, very good. Okay, who tells me? Okay, please stand up. Snowy. Okay, very good. You are the best student. Okay, Snowy, you are not. Okay, next word is this. What is this? Okay, stormy. Okay, this group says stormy. Okay, who wants to say? Okay, very good. Okay, please stand up. Stormy. Okay, very good. Stormy, very good. Stormy. Okay, very good. Okay, very good, please. Stormy. Okay, very good.
This is stormy.
Stormy.
This is stormy.
Very good.
This is stormy.
Okay, very good.
Stormy.
Very good. Okay. Okay.
Stormy.
Very good.
Stormy.
Very good. Okay.
Stormy.
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 Okay, whole class say stormy.
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 Okay, very good. Okay, next word is this.
Lovely.
Okay, very good. Yes, please.
This is blue.
Cloudy. Okay, cloudy.
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 한이 왔나 보더라.
우드.
때 비슷이네. 50대. Okay, very good. Cloudy.
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 Okay, next word is
Bicycle.
hot. Okay, who wants to say? Okay, please do some more. Hot. Okay, very good. Okay, 오늘은
This is hot.
Okay, hot. Very good. 잠깐만. Okay, very good. Hot.
This is hot.
Hot. Very good. Okay, 이번에 this
This is hot.
hot.
This is hot.
Okay, very good. Whole class say hot. 좋아. 하소영 쓰고 한 팀에. Okay, next word is this. Okay, 좋아. Okay, cold. Okay, just please say. Have to say.
This is glue.
No. Okay.
Cold.
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 Cold. Okay.
This is cold.
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 Okay. Whole class say cold.
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 Okay, please. If I have to say cold. Very good. Thank you. Please. Okay. Thank you. Cold is one much good thing in the TV. Okay. Last word is what is this? What is this? Okay. You are. Very good. Okay. Okay, I will say, listen to it carefully. Okay?
Yes.
Windy.
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 Okay, please touch.
This is windy.
Windy, okay, very good. Okay.
This is
Windy, okay, very good. Chandra. Windy. Windy. Windy, okay, whole class say. Windy, okay, very good. Okay, repeat after me. Sunny.
sunny,
Sunny.
sunny,
Sunny.
sunny,
Rainy.
rainy,
Snowy.
snowy,
Stormy.
stormy,
Cloudy.
cloudy,
Hot.
hot,
Cold.
cold,
Windy.
windy.
Okay, very good. Okay, now we will listen to it carefully and close your eyes.
Yes.
Okay, when you close your eyes, memorize the new words. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, you have 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, get up. Time is up. Time is up. Okay. Did you memorize all words? Did you memorize? Yes. Okay, very good. Who wants to say all the words? All the words. Okay, put your hand up. Put your hand up. Okay. Please stand up. Okay, you will show. You will say.
Sunny, rainy, snowy, stormy, windy, hot, cold, cold.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you. You are good. Okay, next who? Who said? Who is? Okay. 자, нэг Christmas хоёртойсон уурхай зэжлээ үйлээ. Okay, Timothy, please stand up.
Sunny.
Okay, say it loudly. Uh-huh. Stormy. Okay, very good. Okay, who else? Okay, third, please stand up.
Sunny, stormy,
Okay, thank you. Please sit down. Future.
sunny, rainy, stormy, snowy, cloudy, hot,
Hot.
cold.
Cold. Okay, very good. Okay, you are good. Also, okay, please stand up.
Sunny, rainy, hot.
Rainy, hot. Very good. Okay, I'm fine. Please stand up.
Sunny, rainy,
Sunny, rainy, hot. Okay. Okay, who else? Who else? Okay, please stand up.
sunny, rainy, stormy,
Very good. Okay, you are good. Please stand up. Number 3.
sunny, rainy, hot.
Okay, say it loudly. Loudly. Okay, please stand up.
Sunny, rainy, hot.
Okay, very good.
Sunny, rainy, stormy.
Stormy. Okay, very good.
Sunny, rainy, hot.
Okay. 좀 참아요. Okay. 자, please house stand up.
Sunny, stormy, hot. Rainy.
Okay, thank you. Very good. Okay. Okay, what else?
I.
Okay, please, Chandran.
Sunny, rainy, stormy, hot.
Stormy, hot. Okay, very good. Mukchakson, please stand up.
Sunny, rainy, cold.
Cold, very good.
Hot, cold.
Hot, cold. Okay. Students, okay. You show this.
Rainy, stormy, hot.
Stormy, hot. Okay, now more.
Sunny, rainy, stormy, hot.
Stormy, hot. Please stand up.
Sunny, rainy, stormy, hot, cold.
Cold. Okay, very good. Okay, who else? Okay, please stand up.
Sunny, rainy, hot.
Hot, very good.
Sunny, rainy, hot.
Okay, very good.
Sunny, rainy, stormy, hot.
Hot, very good. Okay, you are the best students. You are good students. Okay, next, I will give your group's name. Group's name. Okay, this group's, your group's name is Snowy Cold. Snowy Cold. Your name, okay?
Yes.
Okay, this group, your group is hot, sunny. Hot, sunny. Hot, sunny. Okay, your group's name is stormy, windy. Okay, very good. Okay, your group's name is rainy, cloudy. Cloudy. Okay. Okay, repeat after me. Look at the board. All students, look at the board. Okay, what is this? In English. Okay, rainy. Rainy. Okay, very good. Next.
Snowy.
Snowy. Okay. Sunny is very good. Cold. Okay, very good. Next. Stormy. Very good. What is this? Next. Okay, what is this? Windy. Okay. Last word is cloudy. Okay, very good. Hot. Very good. Okay. Everybody, students, please stand up. Stand up. Okay. Let's play again. Game's name is shake hands. Yes. Okay, very good. Okay. За бүгдээрээ энэ үгнийхээ дараалал тоглоно шүү заяа. За бүгдээрээ энэ үгнийхээ дараалал тоглоо явуулчих гэсэн. За эхлээд rainy гэж хэлье тийм ээ. Okay, this group is rainy. Passing this round the world. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Please, let's start. Are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, first group, let's start. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. You said rainy. Okay, very good. Rainy. 자, 다른 누구니 와?
Snowy.
Okay, snowy. This is the sound. Snowy. Stormy. Very good. This is the sound. Okay. Stormy. Okay, very good. Cloudy. Okay, look at that. Hot. one sentence. Okay, please be quiet. I will say one sentence. Listen to it carefully. Okay?
Yes.
Three times. Three times. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. What the weather like today? What the weather like today? What the weather like today? Okay, repeat after me. What the weather like today? What the weather like today? Okay, first group say, what the weather like today? Okay, say it again. What the weather like today? Okay, very good. Okay, repeat after me. Practice. Okay, this group you will say, what the weather like today? Repeat after me. What the weather like today? Okay, you will say it again. What the weather like today? Okay, practice to say. Okay, next group is, are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. What the weather like today? Okay. What the weather like today? Okay, say it again. What
the weather like today?
Okay, very good. Practice to say. Okay. Okay, classroom say. Are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. What's the
What
weather like today? Okay, say it again. What's the weather like today? Okay. Okay, 자, 비틀리셔서 엄마. 오늘은 자가가 영어로에 텍스트 유학으로. Okay, hold fast and ask question. Okay, repeat after me. What's the weather like today? Okay, say it again. What's the weather like today? Okay, working pairs to speak each other. Okay, you will ask question. You will ask question. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, you have 1 minute. Okay, stick to each other. Okay. So what's the weather like today? You said what the weather like today? What the weather like today? You said what the weather like today? Okay, you speak to. Okay, who can you say? Who can you say? Who can you say? Say-가 우스베기 누구잖아. 어때? Okay. Okay, please stand up. You will say.
What is the weather like today?
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you. Please, next student.
What is the
Weather
weather like today?
like today. Very good. Okay, who else? Who else? Okay, Timuta. Please. 잠깐만. What is the weather like today? Okay. Okay. Yumcha, please say that.
What is the weather like today?
Like today, very good. What is
What is the
weather
weather
like today? Okay, very good. Unumaya, please.
What is the weather like today?
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Please, next student. What's the weather like today? Okay, very good. Okay, look at this picture. This animation, watch animation. Okay, look at the carefully.
Weather.
What's the student?
It's raining.
그냥 carefully. today? It is good day. Rainy also. Cloudy. 하루수 땡스크노. It is 인티메트. Okay, next.
It's cloudy.
It's cloudy. Very good. So look at this picture. What is it?
It's snowing.
Snowy. Very good. Okay. Next.
Weather.
Okay, what is
It's raining.
Raining. Okay, next picture.
It's cloudy.
Okay, very good. Okay. 복들아 하루스 때문에 재밌어. It is snowing. Okay, I will ask question. What's the weather like today? Who answer this question? Okay, please stand up. Snowy. Okay, very good. Snowy. 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 Okay, quiet. Snowy, quiet. Snowy, very good. I invited a teacher in front of the classroom. Okay, please come here. Hello. Okay, hi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. What's your name?
My name is Travis. What's your name?
My name is Bosra.
Bosra.
Okay, nice to meet
Nice to
you.
meet you.
Okay, what's the weather like today, Travis?
The weather today, it's cloudy.
It's cloudy. Okay.
Yes. What's the weather like today?
It's cold. It's cold.
It's cold.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Okay. Do you understand? Okay, we will show it again. Okay? Hi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. What's your name?
My name is Travis. What's your name?
My name is Patra. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. Travis, what's the weather like today?
It's cloudy.
Okay.
What's the weather like today?
Okay, it's cold. Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Do you understand? Okay, now you working in the test practice. Make your conversation, okay? Yes, okay. You have 1 minute. 1 minute, okay? Quickly.
What is your name? I'm fine, thanks. My name is Rupeya. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What's your name? My name is Nat. What's your name? How are you? I'm fine, thanks. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. This is cook. This is
Please come here. Also, one student. Okay, who is? Please come here. Very quickly. Okay. Okay, you will show. Make a conversation.
My name is Arjun. How are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. And you? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. What is day like this? What this is?
It is you.
No.
Oh, cloudy. Okay. Maybe that you would ask this.
This is
What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? Okay, you would ask the question. It is cloudy. Okay.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Very good. Okay, you are the best today.
Hi. What's your name? My name is What's your name? My name is Mustafa. How are you? Hi, fine, thanks. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you.
Okay, what's the
What is the weather like?
weather like?
This
Cloudy. Okay, you would ask question.
What's the
Weather
weather
like today? It is
It is cold.
cold. Okay. Goodbye. Okay, very good. Next, I will show. Okay. Please, very quiet. You will show.
I'm fine. What's your name? My name is Samantha. What's your name? I'm fine. What is the weather like today?
This.
This
Cloudy. Okay, very good. What's the weather like today? Okay. Cloudy. Okay. Goodbye. Okay, very good. So please come here. Okay, Wonderboy, please come here. Okay, you show very quickly.
What's your name? My name is Sundaroy. What's your name? My name is Alexander. How are you? I am fine. Thanks. And you? How are you? I am fine. What is the weather like today? It is cloudy. What is the weather like today? What is cloudy? Goodbye.
It is cloudy. Okay, goodbye. Very good. Thank you. Okay, next students, please come here. What is someone? Please come here. Okay, you will show. Say it loudly. Okay. Yeah.
Hi. What's your name? My name is Hello. What's your name? My name is Bisma. How are you? I am fine. Thanks. And you? How are you? I am fine. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
What is the weather like today? It is cloudy. What is the weather like today? It is cloudy. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Okay, very good. Okay. Who else? Who else? Okay. Who speaks to me? Okay, who else? Who else? Okay, we will show. Make a conversation. Okay, hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I am fine. Thanks. How are you?
Okay, fine, thanks. What's your name?
My name is James. What's your name?
Okay, my name is Basra. Okay, what's the weather like today?
It is cloudy.
Okay. What's the
What is the windy
weather
like like
today? Okay, it's cold. Okay, see you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Okay, very good. Okay, now we will practice to speak in the passing. For example, you will ask question, you will answer question. Okay, Okay, your last question. Okay, passive. Okay, do you understand? Yes. For example, what's the word like today? It is sunny. Okay, what's the word like today? It is Okay, we can practice. Okay, practice very speak to each other. Language courage. Okay.
It is cloud.
Okay.
What is the color? That is cloud. What
Okay, now we will ask question. I will ask question. You will answer question. Okay? Do you understand? Yes. Okay, please answer question one by one. English, okay? Okay, this group say, are you ready? Yes. Okay, very good. Good, okay. Okay, move to please stand up. Stand up. Okay, what's the word like today? Okay, you sure? Sit? No, okay, very good. Please stand up. Okay, what's the weather like today? Cloudy, very good. What's the weather like today?
It is
Rainy. Rainy, very good. What's the weather like today?
It is raining.
Rainy, very good.
This is sunny.
This sunny, very good. Okay, next, please stand up. What's the weather like today? Snowing, very good. Okay, please stand up. This cloudy, very good. Cloudy, very good. Okay, all students, please stand up. Stand up. This group, stand up. Stand up. Okay. Three groups, we check. Shawish, okay? Yes. Okay, number two. What's the weather like today? It is cloudy. Very good. Next, what's the weather like today? Snowy. Very good. What's the weather like today? Cold. Very good. It's hot. What's the weather like today? Okay, very sorry. Okay, what's the weather like today? Rainy. What's the weather like today? Cloudy. Okay, very good. Next, what's the weather called? Cold. Cold. Very good. Okay, this group, are you ready? Yes. Please stand up. Okay, what's the weather like today?
It is raining.
Rainy, very good. What's the weather like today?
This is sunny.
Sunny, very good.
This is hot.
Hot. What's the weather like today?
This is
Cloudy. What's that? Cloudy. Okay, what?
This is stormy.
Stormy, very good. Okay, are you ready? Yes. What? Stand up. Okay, what's the weather like today? Sunny. What's the weather like today? Okay, you sure? Okay, what's the weather like today? Cloudy. Okay, very good. Rainy, very good. Cloudy. Stormy, very good. Rainy, very good. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. We don't say many. Please pay attention to me. Class. Is it a class? Okay, goodbye.